Have you ever heard that omega-3s are essential fats? But what does that actually mean? Hi, whatever your age are, this is the perfect time to start paying attention to omega-3 fatty acids, because your body them, but doesn't make them on its own. You have to get them from your food. Let's break it down. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that are essential for your body and brain. The most important types for adults are EPA and DHA. These are found mostly in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and in high-quality omega-3 supplements. So why are they important? Because omega-3s are part of cell membrane in your body. They help reduce inflammation, protect your heart, support your brain, and keep your joints flexible. DHA is especially crucial for your brain and eyes, while EPA plays a major role in keeping inflammation in check. Here's the key. Your body can't make EPA or DHA on its own. You have to get them through food or supplements. That's why they're called essential fatty acids. And no, eating vegetable oils like sunflower or corn oil won't help. Those are omega-6 fats, which most people already get in excess. What you need more of are omega-3s. So how much do you need? Experts recommend at least 500 milligrams per day of EPA and DHA combined for healthy adults. But if you're dealing with inflammation, cardiovascular risks or brain fog, the ideal daily intake is closer to 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day. Here's how to get them. Eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. Choose omega-3 enriched eggs. Use algae oil if you're vegetarian or vegan, or take a high-quality fish oil supplement daily. But again, make sure you're checking the label for the actual amount of EPA and DHA, not just fish oil in general. So, the next time you plan a meal, ask yourself, did I include a good source of omega-3s today? Because your heart, your brain, and your joints will thank you, not just today but in the years ahead. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and let's keep making health simple and smart. See you next time.